How is it going, everybody? You're watching Denaball Tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can do this. How you can use full WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. And the coolest thing is that this is an updated app, and this works absolutely perfect, and there's even a free version, so you don't need to pay anything to use this bad boy right here. And the coolest thing is it's really full WhatsApp. So then you can click, you can tap on any chat, you can see text, audio, photos, videos, absolutely everything, and even interact with it. But before I show you everything, let me show you how you can install it, and then I'm gonna walk you through it. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do, as you can imagine, is download and install the application, which is called WhatsApp 2. And of course you'll need an iPhone for that, but it's super easy. It's just a couple steps and then we're good to go. All right, so all you gotta do is go to the App Store, and then you're gonna go to the search button, and then it's your normal application install process. And then you're gonna tap on search, and then search for WhatsApp. There you go. And then you'll see right here, WhatsApp 2 chat for WhatsApp. Of course, I'll have a link in the description as well, so you can click and go straight to this page if you don't want to type it in, right? And then you can tap on get. For you, it will be get. For me, it's the iCloud icon because I already had it. But as I mentioned before, this is a free application. It has a free version, so then you can go ahead and download and install it for free. There's a free trial. You can do everything for free, right? You can test everything and all of its features. I love that because of the new version, of course. So after it's downloaded and installed, you see it right here, but you don't need to open it up. You don't need to open through the iPhone. All you need to do is go back, open the Watch app, and then scroll all the way down just to make sure that WhatsApp is here. And as you can see, WhatsApp is here under the section installed on Apple Watch. And it's super important that it is, because if it isn't on this section, it won't be on the Apple Watch. So you gotta make sure that it is on this section right here listed on installed on Apple Watch, because that means that it is in fact installed on the Apple Watch as well. If it's loading right here at the bottom, wait, it will be installed automatically in just a few seconds. Okay, so now that the application is installed on the Apple Watch, you can go ahead, grab your Apple Watch, and look for it. So have a look. So press on the digital crown and take a look, and you'll see it right here. It may be in a different location on your Apple Watch. Take a look, tap on WhatsApp, and then you see that instantly it'll open a QR code. And that's the process that we're all familiar with. That's the process that we use when you want to use WhatsApp Web, and that's exactly what we will use right here. This is pretty much exactly a WhatsApp web interface. That's exactly what it is. So all you gotta do is just grab your iPhone, open up WhatsApp, then tap on settings and linked devices. Again, the exact same process you would use to link any device and use WhatsApp web, because that's exactly what we're doing. All right, so then link a device, put your face or your Touch ID or maybe your passcode just to authenticate, then tap on OK, and then bring your Apple Watch with that QR code. Wait a second, because it's always generating a new QR code, and then that's it. That's exactly it. You're done. It'll be on other device, no problem. It's all protected, all encrypted, and everything like that. And then all you gotta do is use WhatsApp on your Apple Watch, and that's it. There you have it, all the chats. Now let me show you what it can do in a close-up. Let me show you. So as you can see, you have a full version of WhatsApp right here on your wrist. So you can do everything you do on your iPhone straight from the watch. So you can see all your chats, all your group messages, and of course interact with them. So you can tap on a chat and you can see and read all of the text. You can play audio messages. Of course, it's not so loud, so bear with me. So you can play, and then you can listen naturally. Of course, you can see images, so you can tap on any image like this one, let it load, and then you can see the image, no problem. You can zoom in, zoom out, you can see in full definition, and of course you can go back and see text, videos, absolutely anything that you would, you can do on your Apple Watch. And of course, you can interact with those messages as well. So you can tap on this little keyboard, which I absolutely love. So this is like the Nokia style keyboard from back in the day. So you can use it just like that. So you can tap on hey, for example, and then you can send a message. And I completely screwed it up. So you can see hey, and then send, and then it will send normally. And then of course you can use to reply to any message. So good. You can tap as well on this little reply button, and then it will bring up the Apple Watch normal reply screen. So you can use your voice, you can use emojis, other types of keyboard, and of course suggestions from quick replies as well. And you even have the option to send audio messages. So you tap on that audio button. As you see, it's counting my audio already, and I can tap on the send button, and then it'll send the audio message. Absolutely incredible. You can tap here, it'll load the voice message. That audio button. As you see, it's counting my audio already, and I can tap on the, and then it just works. Amazing. So of course you can do much more than that. Not only interact with your chats and everything, but you can scroll all the way down. You can see your statuses as well. So if you like that, which are the stories for WhatsApp, right? So you can tap on a story, and then it'll load in full definition as well. Everything works so well. And then you can see your contacts, and even you have some settings that you can play with. There's one thing to keep in mind, and that is if you're using the free version, you only be able to do this on the first 5 chats. So only the first 5. And then the other ones will be blocked. So then only for paid members, let's say, only for paid users, for premium users. But you can do all of that for the first 5 chats. So that's something to keep in mind. And of course, you have the option to test this out for 3 days. So if you don't want to pay, but you want to take advantage of everything, you can use the free trial for 3 days and use exactly as I'm using, full featured with everything that I can show you for 3 days. If you enjoy it, you can pay. If not, you can cancel. So it's up to you. I love the possibility now to use everything for free, not having to pay anything, right? So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you. The updated method, 2021, iOS 15, watchOS 8, everything new, updated on this new version of WatchChat, which is called WatchChat 2, that now you can use to interact and use full WhatsApp from your wrist. Absolutely amazing. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below. That's a very small like. Also, on top of that, please click on the subscribe button, little bell icon, and hit the comment box down below and tell me your feedback if you enjoyed this application, if you're gonna use it, or if not. But please let me know. I always enjoy your feedback. All right, so that's it, and I'll see you in my next video as usual. Bye bye.